My proposal for Visions of Science is a large-scale participatory performance artwork recorded on video for ongoing exhibition. The concept stems from working with young people in education over the last decade and observing the impact that exposure to data and information has on their outlooks in life. Alongside this, I have a personal interest in visual representation of data to engage non-mathematicians in understanding analysis and modelling, and I'm particularly inspired by Nathan Yau's Flowing Data project. I'm ambitious to take abstraction of data to colour and pattern back through the human form, making it more comprehensible to a wider audience. The first step would involve using social media to recruit and survey 100 student participants for the project and identify from them the statistics that most impose on thinking about their future. For example, more than a quarter of people suffer mental health problems, 1 in 4 die of cancer, 27% of the population have degrees, 4% are unemployed, 1 in 3 homes are rented, and so on. Working with researchers in the Department of Mathematical Sciences, responses would then be analysed and collated with the existing data that has influenced participants to reformat the combined results with a random selection tool to distribute the data across the field of 100 participants. Each data theme, like the chances of a mental health problem or buying your own home, will be allocated a colour to code the distribution across the sample field. As each participant is likely to be allocated more than one data theme, like they may gain a degree and buy a house or also suffer a mental health problem, the data must also be proportionately distributed, effectively turning each person in the field into a human bar chart. Morph suits will then be created for the participants to wear when performing, to physically illustrate the human bar chart coding allocation. I'm in conversation with Morphsuit UK regarding sponsorship of the project as an opportunity for product development and promotion. Participants will then work with a dancer choreographer over 2 days to devise movement gestures to illustrate the different data themes so that these can be used to animate the data field through a combination of movements and stillness. In the afternoon of the second day, the performance will be filmed, including aerial footage using a drone. The edited film will be exhibited, whilst the performance can be repeated for the opening event. Although the budget for this project exceeds the bursary, sponsorship with Morphsuits UK may be possible and other costs can be creatively reduced, for example by using a student film crew. Additional funding from other sources could also be investigated. As an artist, I've had a vision for this project for some time, but have been unable to proceed further in developing it without collaborating with statisticians. So the University of Bath's Visions of Science concept makes feasibility an exciting possibility. It would be wonderful to make such a large-scale creative work, visualising data and mathematical analysis, showing what an integral role maths plays in our society and our personal identity. Working with the University of Bath would also offer opportunity to engage with student participants from all faculties as the data field, developing new audiences for both science and art.